Hi.
I'm sorry?
I just said hi.
Hi, hello. Hi.
Okay, if I sit closer? How far are you going?
Rockville Center.
Get out. Me too.
Really?
What are the odds? Do I know you? Do you ever shop at Barnes & Noble?
Sure.
That's it!
Yeah?
I've seen you, man. Book slave there for like 5 years now.
Oh.
Jesus.
I thought I would remember
5
you.
years? It might be the hair.
What might?
It changes a lot, the color. That's why you might not recognize me. It's called Blue Ruin.
Right.
Color. Snappy name, huh?
I like it.
Anyway, this company makes a whole line of colors with equally snappy names. Red Menace, Yellow Fever, Green Revolution. That'd be a job, coming up with those names.
You think there could possibly be a job like that? I mean, how many hair colors could there be? 50, maybe.
Someone's got that job. Agent Orange. I came up with that one. I apply my personality in a paste.
Oh, I doubt that very much.
Well, you don't know me, so you don't know, do you?
Sorry. I was just trying to be nice.
Yeah, I got it. My name's Clementine, by the way.
I'm Joel.
Hi, Joel. No jokes about my name. Oh, no. You wouldn't do that if you were trying to be nice.
I don't know any jokes about your name.
Huckleberry Hound.
I don't know what that means.
Huckleberry Hound? Are you nuts?
It's been suggested.
Oh, my darling, no, my darling, no, my darling, Clementine. You are lost and gone forever. Dreadful sorry, Clementine. No?
Sorry. It's a pretty name, though. It really is nice. It's means merciful, right? Clemency.
Although it hardly fits. I'm a vindictive little bitch, truth be told.
Gee, I wouldn't think that about you.
Why wouldn't you think that about me?
I don't know. I don't know. I just seem nice, so.
Oh, now I'm nice? God, don't you know any other adjectives? I don't need nice. I don't need myself to be it, and I don't need anybody else to be it at me.
Okay.
Joel? It's Joel, right?
Yes.
I'm sorry I yelled at you. I'm a little out of sorts today. My embarrassing admission is I really like that you're nice right now. I mean, I can't tell from one moment to the next what I'm gonna like, but right now, I'm glad you are.
I have some stuff that I probably should.
Oh,
I'm writing.
I'm sorry. Okay.
No.
Sure. No, that's okay.
I just have, this is.
Okay.
Oh, hey.
Take care then.
Jesus.